Can plants really grow in space and make food in space? Interesting question, right? Hey, I am Srushti, a space biologist on a mission to understand how life grows beyond gravity. Today, let's break down the process of photosynthesis in space. On Earth, photosynthesis is simple. Light plus carbon dioxide plus water, and we get sugar and oxygen. It happens inside chloroplast, turning sunlight into food and release oxygen. Now imagine this. You are on International Space Station and there is no gravity, water floats, roots don't know where to grow. In this environment, can plants still do this magical chemistry? And the answer is yes, but with slight changes. The first step is light reaction, where plants absorb red and blue light to power up electrons in chlorophyll. But in space, we don't get sunlight through windows. So we use LEDs. Red and blue LEDs, they mimic sunlight. In International Space Station, systems like Veggie and Advanced Plant Habitat, they give plants a controlled dose of light that they need. And result of this, we observe that light absorption and ATP generation still work even in orbit. The next process to look is water transport. So on Earth, water travel upward from roots through xylem and thanks to capillary action and gravity. But in microgravity, there is no up or down movement. So to fix this, researchers use capillary mats and plant pillows to wick water, or hydroponic system that control delivery using sensors, which will allow plant to absorb water for light reaction and keeping stomatal functioning. The next important process in photosynthesis is Kelvin cycle, where plants use CO2 and ATP to build sugar. So inside International Space Station, CO2 levels are controlled, but plant still needs to breathe in it. Without gravity, air doesn't circulate naturally. So by utilizing fans and air circulation system, carbon dioxide movement to leaves are controlled. Kelvin cycle enzyme still functions in orbit, but there are different studies that shows that their activities may slightly decrease due to effect of microgravity. But let's understand why this study matters. Photosynthesis isn't just food. It gives us oxygen to breathe, clean carbon dioxide air, a closed loop life support system. It's how probably we will live on Moon or Mars, maybe even beyond. So yes, photosynthesis does happen in space, but it needs perfect light, precise water flow, a controlled air movement, and a stable temperature. Now imagine this. If you had the chance to grow just one plant in space, what would it be? Would it be a juicy tomato for zero gravity sandwich, or medicinal herb for space medicine, or just your favorite flower blooming in the orbit? Drop your answers in the comment section, because the future of farming might not be in soil, it might be in starlights. Until next time, keep growing beyond gravity.